Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sell products on Facebook Marketplace. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. Alright, but now let me show you how you can sell products on Marketplace. First of all, in the left sidebar you can see Marketplace. If you click that, you will be able to see all of the listings, so you will be also able to buy things on Facebook Marketplace. But if you want to sell instantly, you're gonna click the 9 dots on the top right corner and just click on a Marketplace listing. Then you will be on the listing page immediately. So about the listing details, first you need to give your location basically, because people who are looking for products are able to filter by location. You can either type in your postal code or the city you live in or you sell the product in. Now I need to type in my email address because of my privacy settings. People are not able to send me direct messages, but if people can send you direct messages, then you don't have to give your email address. Then you need to add photos, because people rarely buy anything without photos because they don't trust advertisements without photos. Then you have to give a title where you should include the keywords like the brand name, the size, the category, or even the color, but you will be able to put the color in the description also. Then you can give the price of the product. If you're not sure what price you should include in your listing, then what I can recommend you is to look through the similar products in Marketplace, and it will help you decide about the price range which you should adapt to. Then you have to choose the category. Facebook may be able to tell the category by itself, but if it doesn't tell you the category, you need to choose it manually. And then you need to give the condition of the product. Only give new if it's completely untouched, unused, but if it has been used and it's like in brand new condition, you can give used and like new. Then in the description you can include the condition of the product, the color of the product, whether shipping is possible or not, where they can pick up the product if they want to have a look at it, and other kind of information you want to specify. Then after that you just have to publish your listing. Then Facebook is gonna need some time to review the listing, and then if it's been reviewed, then your listing is gonna show on Facebook. Alright, so all in all, this is how you post something on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, that you can also find in the video description below.